Hi KG2, this is an example of what you're going to be making today in Keynote. You're going to choose a habitat and create a video like this.
First, you'll find the app Keynote on your iPad. Press the plus, make a new white presentation, tap the boxes and press delete so you have a blank space.
Pause this video, open Keynote, create a new white presentation, then come back for the next step.
I need to decide which habitat I'm going to do. So I'm going to create the ocean. So I need to tap my presentation, press the paintbrush to change the background. Now I'm going to choose a color like blue to make it like the ocean as my background. I can also click the button beside color to use two different colors, blue, and this is called a gradient.
Pause the video, go to Keynote, and create your habitat background. Then come back.
The next thing I want to do is add shapes to make my habitat come to life. I press the plus, I press the shapes, and then I can see at the top all different kinds of shapes here. So I want to look for some animals to put into my ocean habitat. So I can scroll down, and here I see that there is a whale. So I press him to bring him in. I can drag these blue dots to make him bigger or smaller. Okay, and I can make him look different by pressing the paintbrush, pressing fill, and choosing a color for my whale. I can also add a border by turning this on here. Now if I want to add some plants to my ocean or the ground floor, I can press plus again, nature. I can add some grass down here and format it with the paintbrush and make it green. And I can add the ocean floor by pressing a square and just dragging it to make it go along the bottom. Okay, and I can change the color of it with the paintbrush to make it like the sand.
Pause the video, add your animals and any plants or nature, and then come back.
Now I'm going to show you how to make your animals move. So if you tap on the whale and you press the last button, which is animate, down at the bottom you have lots of different choices. If you press the middle button, add action, and the first button here, create path, I can draw how I want my whale to move. And then I just press done. Done. When I press play, I can see that my whale will swim. There are lots of other animations too that you can find by pressing here. I encourage you to try some of them to see which works best for your animal. When you pick one, all you need to do is press done.
Pause the video and go add animations to your animals. Then come back.
The last step is to export your animation as a movie. So you do that by pressing the three dots, export, movie, export, and then choose save video.
Here's a challenge. Do you think you can try it?
Here's how you can make all of your animations play at the same time. Press the three dots, press transitions and builds. Up here in the top right, the three dots and the three lines. Now, right now, all of my animations will play one after another, but I want them to happen at the same time. So I tap my octopus and I choose with build one, which is my whale. Then I tap my crab with build one, goldfish with build one, goldfish with build one, and I just repeat that for all of my animations. Then I press done. Now when I press play, all of my animations will play at the same time. Once I've done that, all I need to do is export as a movie again.
Now add your finished video to Seesaw.